All right, our volunteers here did an awesome job. This is just corrugated green paper in a big roll. And what I did is I sketched out some green palm fronds, so we have this, island look and feel. But, could this be okay? If we put a little foam behind it, make it stand up, and we layer it, it would be even good, right? But here, how we're gonna make it even better.
Now we're going to make some palm trees. We used pipe and drape stands and covered them with carpet tubes. Tape brown craft paper sleeves around the tubes and then scrunch down the paper to create texture for your trunks. We used the same technique on our larger palm tree leaves that we used for our ground greenery.
So as we're doing this, what you want to do is just take and come straight off, not on an angle.
Oh, okay.
So just straight off.
Bruce, where are you?
Oh, there you are.
Bruce.
You know what we have to do? We've got to make these little paper things stand up. So this is what we're going to do, is we're just going to take our hot knife and we're just going to cut a curve. And it doesn't matter what it looks like or how big the curve is. Have you seen the shipwrecked island? Hey guys, isn't this looking awesome, this palm tree? Look at this. This is the green corrugated cardboard, again, that we took a tool and we just made the lines inside of our palm leaf. But you're gonna ask, well, how did you get it up? Good question. What we used is just a heavy duty wire that we cut with wire cutters, and we placed it with some duct tape just to get it in place. Then we just ran a whole strip of duct tape down the center of our leaf and then just slightly bent the end. Once you have that, we're using our pipe and drape with our cardboard tubes around it, and what we're going to do is we're going to fill all this up. Once you get it all filled up, then you can go ahead and bend your leaves, but don't start bending your leaves till you get it all filled up, and we got one awesome looking palm tree.